a cyclic heat engine operates between a source temperature of 1073 Kelvin and a sink temperature of 303 Kelvin. What is the least rate of heat rejection per kg net output of the engine? That is, consider this as the heat engine which is working between a two temperature reservoir. This is considered to be as T1 and this is T2. It receives certain amount of heat Q1 and rejects certain amount of heat Q2 to a lower temperature sink in order to produce the work W. We have T1 is equal to 1073 Kelvin, T2 is equal to 303 Kelvin, and W is equal to per kilowatt net output, which is nothing but unity, which is 1. We need to find Q2. That is, we need to find Q2. Q2 need to be find out. Okay. The efficiency of a heat engine is given by the equation 1 minus T2 by T1. And if you substitute the value of T2 and T1 in this equation, 1 minus 1073 Kelvin divided by 303 Kelvin, which is equal to 1 minus 0.282, and the efficiency of the heat engine is given by 0.718. That is, we have found out the efficiency of the heat engine. By using this, you can find the value of Q2. Okay. Generally, the value of Q2 is found by equation Q2 is equal to Q1 minus W. In this equation, the value of W is known, but the value of Q1 is unknown. So, first we need to find the value of Q1 before analyzing the value of Q2. Therefore, we should find the value of Q1. Q1 can be found by an equation or a formula, which is efficiency of a heat engine is equal to W net by the heat input. Okay. From this, Q1 will be equal to W net by the efficiency of the heat engine, which is nothing but 1 divided by 0.718. And Q1 after calculation, you will be getting 1.392 kilowatt. Now you have find out the value of Q1, and by substituting this value in this equation, you can arrive the value of Q2. That is, Q2 can be arrived by substituting the value of Q1 in this equation. And from this, Q2 will be equal to Q1 minus W, which is equal to Q1 is 1.392 kilowatt minus 1 kilowatt, which is nothing but the work. Therefore, the value of Q2 will be equal to 0.392 kilowatt. Okay.